What's up, everybody? So today, working on the Avalanche. I've been driving this thing for a couple months now. I'd say as my daily driver because I'd say it was like a month ago when I sold the GTI. Now got some more new stuff. I got some Herculiner truck bed liner, and this is just a sponge roll-on kit. You can see the sponge roller right there. It's just a real porous roller, so that it gives like really bumpy texture to the paint whenever you apply it, and then also a paintbrush right there, which I'm going to have to use that for all these big concaves and stuff that are in this. I'm going to quit rambling, quit talking, get this truck bed liner on there and see how it comes out. So holy crap. I've gotten pretty much all of it done at this point. The only things left I have to do now are the running boards and the front bumper. But wow, I mean, it looks so freaking good. Camera just is not doing it justice because of my bad lighting in the garage, but this thing is looking minty fresh, and it's gonna look really good once I get all this tape and masking pulled off of here. But yeah, pretty much done now. Like I said, just got the front bumper to do and the running boards. Just a little bit of cleaning on the running boards and a little bit of taping around the front bumper, and we'll have this thing good to go, and I'll be ready to pull it outside in a couple hours. No, probably not, actually. I'll probably let this cure all day today and untape and unmask it tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Getting back to work. I'm gonna stop talking now. Alright, so everything is finally now done in the truck bed liner. I've went over everything twice except for the arches on the inside and the top up there, that little valance or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, front bumper, rear bumper, all the side cladding, arches, toolboxes. Only thing I haven't gone over twice is that right there, but everything looks good so far there. And I've actually got quite a bit of this stuff left and a big mess to clean up once this is all done and over with. But I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out so far. Really excited to start peeling back all this tape. there you have it. Now you see what she sounds like with the 2.5-inch reduced muffler, and I do not like it. And then tons and tons of water spitting everywhere because of the cats on this thing, which that is another thing that's going to happen and has to do with the next video. Deleting the cats, timing set, deleting that. There's all your hints towards the next few videos coming up with this thing, and I will see you all soon.